Tak. Dobra.
No.
But why is it some girls look really sexy with their hair slicked back and I look like Draco Malfoy? Hello, Potter. Red hair and a hand-me-down robe? You must be a Weasley.
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Get in, loser! We're going to the Lexus Diner!
Oh my god, you guys, I'm at the beach right now. It's so beautiful out here. Oh my god.
Her meow is so cute.
Mas como é que é brasileiro? You keep forgetting.
What? No, dude!
The neighbor's dog is pregnant, buddy. Do you know anything about that?
It's not an enjoyable experience for me, and I don't like any of you.
Alright, so the next step is roast the potatoes.
Hey, your mom, yeah?
God, is that a mermaid? Hey, are you a mermaid?
No, bitch.
Oh, what is that? Oh. Oh my god, it's a whale.
E-H-E? It's not it's...
Technology!
Hey.
How do you breathe underwater?
Don't, that's called drowning.
Esto lo prendes y lo cerras. And we're interviewing Nickelodeon stars Ariana Grande.
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuit!
You're having 4?
No, it's the same one.
Oh. 20 euro. 200,000 euro.
69 cents.
What would you do?
Dad, I got this. If we broke in your house. This was one crazy tornado and it was dumb too. It lifted up my trampoline and yeeted it.
I don't know what I did wrong. I gave her my all. But I mean, girls be like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, no sausage and egg McMuffins?
No.
Damn, Connecticut is beautiful. Look, Landon, there's the city.
Dude, I don't need to look. It's not that pretty.
Damn, that dude has a fat ass.
No. Keep it. She's yours.
I have a quick question for you. Do you know why emo girls love my jawline? Because it's sharp.
Pool season's back, boys. Where are my pool boys, huh? Mama needs her pool boys.
Right here, baby.
It's not, I'm not doing it.
Nada. شو الدورية هاي؟ في أمبولانس عبالك.
Excuse me, can I sit here? Oh, never mind.
Today I'm playing rock, paper, scissors with my cat. Rock, paper, scissors.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
Oh!
Shut up! Shut up!
Be gentle.
Ow!
Where you going, cuz? Cuz, where you going, cuz?